Am I the only one that didn't know Microsoft has a VPN that connects itself? Seriously, no more manual logins. Let's see how it actually works. Always On VPN is Microsoft's answer for secure, automatic remote connectivity, perfect for hybrid teams and remote workers on Windows 10 or 11. Unlike old-school VPNs, it connects automatically whenever you're online, no clicks, no fuss. You get 2 tunnel types. Device tunnels kick in before login for device management, and user tunnels connect after login for access to internal resources. Security? It's tight. Think certificate-based authentication, MFA, and traffic filtering. Plus, it integrates with Entra conditional access and adapts based on your network. For setup, use PowerShell or Intune for easy deployment, and you can scale with RRAS servers or even deploy in Azure for global reach. Want to check your VPN security? Head to VPNTest.pro for leak testing. Bottom line, Always On VPN means secure access, simplified management, and happy IT teams. Are you ready to go always on?